Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm going to show you the real recipe of donuts and how to decorate it in different ways. Let's see how to make the soft, spongy donuts. Before starting the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot and click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. So first let's make the donut dough. Into a large bowl add in 2 cups of flour with some powdered sugar and yeast. Give it a mix. Now add in half a cup of warm milk, 1 whole egg and mix it. Now add around 2 tablespoons of water and using your hands mix the dough. Now this dough gonna be very sticky, so don't add more flour into it. Once it is well combined, take this dough onto your countertop. Now knead the dough for around 15 minutes. While kneading, stretch the dough and knead it. Now add some room temperature butter and again knead it till the dough become non-sticky and soft. Now take the dough onto a greased bowl. And let it rest to proof. And here it is summer, so it just took 1 hour to get the dough and double the size. Now again take the dough onto the countertop and knead it again for 1 minute. Now let's start rolling out the dough. Roll out into a 1/2 inch thickness and then using a donut cutter you can cut out the donuts, or if you don't have, you can use a small bowl and also a piping nozzle to cut out the donut shapes. Cut out all the donuts like this. Now again roll out the excess dough and make donuts. Now place these cut out donuts onto a parchment paper and let it rest for 30 minutes for the second proofing. After 30 minutes, heat some oil in a pan. Then cut out the parchment paper with the donuts and place it directly onto the oil, because if you try taking it with your hands, it may lose its shape. And fry these donuts on a low to medium flame, or else it will change its color from outside but it will not get cooked inside. So always maintain the same temperature and fry all the donuts like this. Now if you want to bake these donuts, you can bake it in a 190 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's move on to the most interesting part in this recipe, decorating the donuts. So here I've melted some white chocolate. So dip 1 donut in that and coat it with some dark chocolate chips. You can also add some beautiful sprinkles. White chocolate and colorful sprinkles look so beautiful. Melt some dark chocolate and just drizzle it on top. Even this simple design looks so beautiful. Let's try some designs with dark chocolate. Simple glazed dark chocolate looks so nice on donuts. Also drizzle some white melted chocolate. Also add some sprinkles, or you can also try some designs with chopped fruit and nuts. or simply coat it with some plain sugar. You can play around with different type of designs. Crispy outside and soft inside donuts with delicious chocolate. Oh my god, it's so yum. So do try out this real recipe of donuts and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Graypod and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.